We're hitting up Savers because I'm in the area. I haven't been to this one in a little while, but this one's in a really nice area. So Savers is notorious for charging high prices. Let's just put it kindly. So I don't know, sometimes I find stuff, sometimes I don't, but we're just gonna cross our fingers today. Okay, so we're starting off with a bang. $26 for these sorrels. They are really cute, but no, sorrels just don't do it for me. They don't sell like they used to. Darn it. I am, however, tempted by these boots. 22 bucks. They are Doc Martens and they're vintage. They're a little worn. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to clean up that. Like, if I can't really paint it, darn, I think I will leave them behind, but it's kind of a bummer because these would have been really cool. And the laces, there's no laces. So I used to sell Madewell shoes all the time, but these are the Otis boots, and they're only, surprisingly $9 here. But I'm really not seeing comps that are strong enough to pick these up. So it's a bummer. We're just gonna have to leave them behind. Okay, so we have these are really cute. These Sorel Hadley slippers. They're only $7, and comps seem to be around 30, upwards of 40. So I think it's worth a gamble. Okay, so another decent price on these UGG Alina slippers. They need a little cleaning. But they're not that bad, and I think we're seeing lower comps for like the beige, but I think the pink should go for some really good money. Like, look, 75 pre-owned. So shoes. I do tend to go to the shoe section first at the thrift. I think because I do have good luck with shoes. I don't know. I just like combing through that all first and then heading over into the clothing section. Maybe because the shoe section's like busier and I don't want to miss anything that just came out. I don't know. Who knows if I have any logic with that. I was able to find these UGG boots, these moccasins, and they already sold for 35 bucks. My one hang up with shoes is I go get them and then I take them home and I'm like, oh yeah, I have to clean these, and I do not love cleaning shoes. These UGG moccasin slippers actually cleaned up really well. I was able to get, everything out. They went to a happy home. I sold them for $35. I took a lower offer. Again, I was just trying to get stuff moving for the day. So really happy with that flip. It was a quick flip. I think they sold in just a couple days. All right, so we love Sundance. $16, but these are the Delphia eyelet sandals. Really solid at around $45.50, and they're in really good condition too. The question is it worth paying up for? I'm not sure, because I do want stuff to move. I'll put it in my cart and I'll be on the fence about it. This is a maybe. Same with this Coach purse, which is $30, but it's a solid maybe. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna look it up. Okay, so yeah, that Coach bag was a no. Found another pair of Sundance booties, but they're like 16 bucks, so we're just gonna keep looking. Okay, so we've got another really fair price at 7 bucks. These Picolinos, which are in really good condition as well. And seeing comps, I think on the low end, 33, more like possibly 40, so I'm excited about that. And then I just barely spotted these Halston booties. Halston's a very expensive brand, but not the fastest mover, and they're $9. All right, so here we've got some Huma Blanco booties for $15, but I have sold these in the past really, really well. You can see $50, $75, so I think it's worth it. So what's funny about these Huma Blanco shoes is I found these, gosh, was it a year ago at a church rummage sale? They were brand new in the box. I got everything at that rummage sale, and I got a bunch of stuff for $9. So what did I pay for those shoes? $1? It was crazy. Anyway, they sold for, I think, $90. And these have already sold for me for $65. So these are a great shoe to pick up. Very happy to find these at the thrift and at a reasonable price. Hey, gosh, this kills me because we have not one, but 2 pairs of Free People shoes. What size are these? These are actually kind of cute. But they're both $25. $39, okay. And they're really good. I think they're basically new. I've got to look up comps, but I don't think it's worth it. Okay, so yeah, very sad, but I think, you know, if I can only pull in 40 to 50, it's just not worth it to pay that price. Such a bummer. And if they were my size, I would have just kept them for me, but we're just gonna keep looking in the shoe section. I've been here for, I swear, for like an hour already. I'm going so slow. A couple more I picked up. Some Nike React 55s. I can soak these and get these really clean again. And they're only $7, so a very, very good price. And then these Bionic athletic sneakers in toffee. I'm seeing like this style is really, really cute and like sought after these days, so I think these will do really well.
The Nike Reacts cleaned up really nicely, and those Bionic lace-ups just looked really cute. They were in good condition, so while I do sometimes clean up shoes if like they're a really good deal, these were in good enough condition that I didn't have to clean them up that much, and they photographed really nicely, and so they're in my store. I'm just kind of looking for things that I think will be underpriced at Savers but still make me a good profit on eBay. It's kind of more of a game at Savers than it is at other thrift stores.
Okay, so here in the purses, we have for $7 this really cute little fossil tote. Very, very good condition. And yeah, for $7, I think this will easily, well, we'll see for sure, but like, I think 35.
This Fossil tote here sold for $35 for me very quickly. I like Fossil. I mean, it's just a bread and butter item. I find it a lot. I sell it a lot. It doesn't sell for like tons of money, but 30, 40, 50. The wallets sell for like 20. It's just one of those very consistent sellers for me that I just love to find when I can get it for the right price.
Yeah, these would have been so cool. I mean, they're $15 and they have a custom thing on them, so that is frustrating. Goodbye, Lulu. Okay, so it was so busy. I have a bunch that I want to show you guys, but this was very exciting because everything is priced pretty high, but Thrift is a great brand. I don't find it hardly at all. Very, very expensive. So to have this for $6 is very exciting. And I just loved this because I love this shave ice. I love Hawaii. But yeah, I've been looking for hours now, and I have been finding stuff, but it's not been super exciting, and I'm getting tired.
So Rab is a great brand. I once bought it at a yard sale for $1 and that jacket sold for $70, so it's a very expensive brand. This is just like a very simple hoodie pullover. This won't sell for as much, but it should sell quickly. It's just a very high-end activewear brand. I think it's made in England, so it's one that I'm on the lookout for but don't find super often, so I was glad to find it today.
Okay, so hiding here in the women's section is an Eaton XXL. It's a men's full zip, and I had to look this brand up, but it looked very well made. Really nice stitching, really nice zipper, and I think this brand, I'll have to do more research, but it sells for pre-owned $50, $60. So I'm for sure gonna bring that, even though it's a little more on the expensive side.
So Eaton is a new to me brand, E-T-O-N. It felt really nice, the tag looked good. I mean, these are things I look for when I'm at the thrift or even like at a yard sale. I'm like looking at, does the fabric feel good? Does the tag look good? And sure enough, this shirt sold in like a few hours for $58. I had it priced higher, but I like wanted to get sales going for the day, so I took a lower offer. But $58 is definitely nothing to be sad about because that was a great flip. I wish that I found this brand more often. Now that I'm aware of it, like I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled for it, but if you guys weren't familiar, this is a great brand to look for, and I will definitely be looking for it in the future.
And then we've got all of these leggings. The Intimately Free People, or the Free People movement, the Outdoor Voices. We like full-length leggings if possible. All of these will easily go for, 30 plus. Some Lulu 7/8 leggings. This is new with tags, and they want $19 for it, so I'm probably gonna actually just put this back. It's a little bit too much. Some more Outdoor Voices. Little hoodie here. And then some, again, it's kind of pricey, but these are some Lulu joggers, the Align joggers. For that price, I actually might put these back in that size because that's a really small size. So that's another one. Sweet Flex is a new to me brand, but comps look to be like $40. I had never heard of this, so I'm gonna have to, again, do more research. So yeah, we've got some like really solid leggings here. Sweaty Betty. We really like Sweaty Betty full length. So someone donated their leggings. And then this is $8. These are some Lululemon printed leggings, which with the pockets. I don't know this print, but I'm definitely gonna look it up because prints tend to do really well if they're a little bit more rare.
Okay, so major bolo alert. That means be on the lookout for this brand Sweet Flex with 2 X's because I had not really heard of it. I sometimes just stumble across these brands, look them up and go, oh, this is new to me. I had no idea this was worth so much. Sweet Flex, I listed in my store for $45 and it sold within a couple days for my full asking amount. So be on the lookout for it. It sells great. I'll have to do more research on it as to like why it's so popular. If you guys know, you can let me know in the comments. But again, it had the branding really bold on the back, and it's a brand I'm just gonna look out for in the future because we definitely love a brand that sells quickly and for good money. So hallelujah.
So this is a brand I've not found before actually. It is Loudmouth. I know of it as a men's brand, but this is a skirt and comps look really, really good. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so you can see like for really loud prints, $40. This one's really fun, so I think 30 to 40 is really reasonable. Okay, so here in the dresses, yeah, it's $11, but Helmet Lang. Oh my gosh, I rarely find this. So for this price for this dress, I'm gonna look up comps at home, but this is a really good find.
All right, so I can cross this off my thrift bucket list. This is the Helmet Lang heart pumping dress. It's like an illusion dress, really, really pretty. I rarely find Helmet Lang at the thrift, so I think I've only found it once before. I'm so glad that I picked it up today. Helmet Lang, as you guys know, is a designer brand. I'm not sure about what this line sells for, but their higher end stuff, their more recent stuff can sell for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So definitely be on the lookout for this brand. Do I have to tell you that? It's a designer. I think I see a sold comp on Poshmark for well over $100. So very glad that I found this today.
Then we've got this Smartwool men's sweater. I love selling Smartwool. It's a great brand. It's a medium. Yeah, I think this will do totally great. And then Max Mara, which is a great designer brand. It's a really pretty black dress, and then so more designer. So it looks like someone kind of gave their designer dresses over to Savers. And I will happily take these off their hands.
So sorry my audio wasn't so great in that clip, but the Max Mara dress and then Veronica Beard, I think the same person donated all of these designer labels because Max Mara, Veronica Beard, Helmet Lang, all very nice brands, all the same size. So we can safely assume that these are from the same person and they all should sell fantastically well. Veronica Beard, I think there's certain lines and certain tags that sell for a lot more than others, but this dress here is really pretty and I think it'll sell for at least $50.
Look at this little Lulu jumpsuit. It was hiding here in the dress section and for a very reasonable price considering my coupon. So yeah, I'll grab it. All right, so I paid, what did I pay? About $8 per item total. I had 26 items. I was there for a long time, but I wanted to find some really cool stuff. I filmed a bunch of videos today, so I was fading pretty hard by the end. But we found really cool stuff. We were able to pick out the ones that were priced really reasonably. Lots of cool finds today. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna head home, get some food. I have not eaten, so let's get some food, let's get a treat, and then when I get home, we're gonna rehash and add up everything and what the value is. So, but yeah, a very successful day.
So I don't know what was going on with me at this thrift store, but I was getting so tired. I was starting to get dizzy as I was going through things. I had been filming the whole day. I was trying to batch film so that I could not feel so stressed with the holidays coming up, because as you guys know as a parent, oh my gosh, the holidays are so insanely busy with performances and activities and all that good stuff. So yeah, I was really dizzy and out of it by the end. I was there for a long time and I don't know what was going on. So if my vibe is weird, it's because of that. But I did get a treat. I actually got my treat before I went into this thrift store. I got a Five Guys soda because it's like shares a parking lot with this thrift store. So I got a Five Guys soda, went over and just drank it while I did my thrifting. So that kind of explains why there's no treat at the end of this video. But I'm so glad you guys could join me. I really love taking you along for this adventure. It's so much fun to go thrifting and to share it with you guys. I hope that like you learned something new or you had fun. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. It just helps me so much on this channel. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.